So hi, today we are going to check the old DC adapter. It's not working, I guess. So it's in DC. It's difficult to hold with one hand.
டேய் நான் ஃபோன் பண்ணுறேன், வரதுக்கு லேட் ஆகும் நினைக்கிறேன். ஃப்ரெண்டு வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு தான் வருவேன். நான் ஃபோன் பண்ணுறேன் முடிச்சுட்டு.
Okay. It's not working. I think it's on, but it's not working. So there's no indication so we're gonna check. Let me fix it. Let me turn this off. And this 7.2 watt output. Okay. It's a special type of screw set. It's stuck. I think let me select this, which will fit into this, like, okay. So got to remove. Okay, and another screw too. That's it. So I'm gonna open. Okay, it's a case, nothing else. And here, so cute LED, everything is perfect. We do find some broken parts. Okay, these are all just the holders of this transformer. So let's check whether these two are working. So turn it to connectivity. Okay, that's fine. But then what's wrong with this? Okay, this is slightly open. Let's check. So here it goes. It's open. Okay, now let's try to fix it. I just pulled it out. Okay, let me place it here carefully. And Now let me fix back. Yes, it's okay now. We are done. So let's check the voltage too. It's 1.4. Okay. Okay, so increase, it is getting increased. Okay, let me fix it back. So I fixed it back. Let's check whether it works perfectly. Okay. The voltage is 1.7. Here what we placed is also 1.5, but it's giving 1.7. Let me increase. Okay, it's going to 4, and actually it is 4.5. Okay, it's giving 5 nearby. It's giving more than what it is said, but it's cool. So I got 12 volt. So this, okay, it's working cool. So I got this adapter back. Thank you for watching.